Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikita and I bring interesting content for you that can help you take a step closer to the industry. In the last week, I couldn't come up with a video due to some unforeseen situations at my place, but I'm committed to bringing more such insights for you that can help you understand more about the industry, what do the industry require from a suitable candidate, how do recruiters actually shortlist candidates, how interviews happen, how Google looks at shortlisting candidates. I have brought in a lot of videos in the past that you might find useful. If you've watched those videos and you find those useful, drop a comment in the comment section below. That definitely motivates me to bring more such content for you. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, maybe because you're new to my channel or maybe because you forgot clicking on the subscription button below, please do so by clicking on the subscription button right now. In today's video, I will be talking more about the AI prompts that you can use that can help you increase your chances to get an interview opportunity. Now, the reason I have been encouraging you to use AI is to not actually copy paste from what AI provides you, but actually provide you good templates that might be interesting or that might be samples for you on how you could represent yourself in the wider industry. And not just because AI is the hype, but for you also to understand of certain points that you might have thought about, but you miss them because you were thinking about so many things while you're preparing to get an interview for yourself. Let's first look into the point where you are trying to improvise your resume. The prompt that you will be entering is help me improve my resume. I have these skill sets and I am applying for this role. For example, help me improve my resume for a technical program manager role, and I have qualities of problem solving, project management, communication and stakeholder management, and budget management. Now, based on my skill sets, and maybe you can also, to make it more precise, you can also provide certain experiences or projects that you've worked in the past. The AI prompt will definitely help you with an updated version of how your resume could look like. Do not copy paste the same thing. There would be some areas that you might want to tweak. And remember, now everyone is using AI, so it's very easy to understand who's worked hard on their resumes versus who's used AI. And people want a balance of both, those who actually work hard and those who know how they can actually use AI to make themselves more efficient and help them stand out in the industry. So try to balance both. The second thing that you would be doing to improvise your chances of getting an interview is improving your LinkedIn profile. Now, I have had a video in the past where I have spoken about things that you should be doing on LinkedIn, things you should be avoiding on LinkedIn. But the AI prompt that you should be using is be my ghostwriter and help me update my LinkedIn about section and also my experience summary. Now, this is where people who actually search for candidates on LinkedIn, especially recruiters, they look out for specific keywords, and mostly your AI tool would be aware of those. And if not, you can be more precise and give them instructions. Use the most commonly terms used by recruiters to shortlist candidates. Now, this precise prompt will also help your AI tool understand that you are trying to make your profile more discoverable to the recruiters, and it will provide specific keywords that can help you become more discoverable on LinkedIn and increase your chances of recruiters reaching out to you via LinkedIn. The third prompt that you would be using is once you identify a potential opportunity that might be a good fit for yourselves, then actually share the job description link if available, or just copy that job description, paste it on your AI tool and tell them that help me draft a cover letter or help me customize my resume to fit into this particular job role. Now, this is where AI tool will try to understand the keywords from the job description, and it will actually try to match those with your current skill sets or experiences that you have mentioned in your resume. And then it will tie you back with a proposed sample that you can use. Of course, like I have mentioned previously as well, actually just don't use the same version, but try to cut, polish, fine tune, and then update your resumes based on the refinement that you would be doing. And last but not the least, another AI prompt that you could be using to improve your chances of getting interviewed slash wondering what does the industry look out for, like, literally tell your AI tool like Gemini that, hey, can you help me understand what are the skill sets required to become a software engineer at Google? The reinforcement model will actually look out for various candidates working at Google for the specific role. It will try to understand what are the skill sets they have mentioned and tell you that, hey, these are the skill sets you need to have to become more potential candidate for a company like Google. You might be aspiring for other companies as well. Google is one company I mentioned, but yes, of course, you can add any other company you feel you're aspiring for, and it will give you reasonable answers. And you can actually tweak this prompt. Like, for example, ask Gemini, hey, I want to become a software engineer as a fresher. Help me understand what are the skill sets required to become eligible for a particular role. And your AI tool will actually tell you what are the qualities that you have, and then you can actually do an evaluation or a skill set gap analysis of what qualities you have and what qualities you don't, and based on that can help you become more potential candidate for a given role or for a specific company that you are aiming for. All right, so I hope you found certain prompts that I have mentioned on the screen helpful, and that actually helps you prepare yourself for your upcoming job opportunities. And if you still feel like this is not helping you and you need some more help that AI cannot, then definitely you should be dropping a comment in the comment section below. I would be coming back with an answer for you, or maybe another video, detailed video, while where I can talk more about what you can do in a particular situation or scenario that can help you become more eligible for interviews in the industry. Great. I hope you're enjoying this video series. If yes, do click like on the like button below and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more such interesting videos in the future. I appreciate all the love that you give to my channel, and I hope to bring more such useful insights and content for you in the future. Until the next video, take care. Bye bye.